Olive oil is a great natural moisturizer packed with antioxidants and healthy fats that can nourish and protect your skin. Here's how you can use it in your skincare routine. 1. Moisturizer. Apply a few drops of extra virgin olive oil to damp skin after cleansing to lock in moisture. Gently massage it in until absorbed. 2. Makeup remover. Pour a few drops onto a cotton pad and wipe away makeup, including waterproof mascara. Rinse with warm water and follow with a gentle cleanser if needed. 3. Exfoliator, scrub. Mix olive oil with sugar or sea salt to create a natural scrub. Massage onto your skin in circular motions, then rinse off with warm water. 4. Anti-aging treatment. Olive oil contains antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols that can reduce fine lines. Apply a thin layer before bed to help fight premature aging. 5. Healing dry skin. Use olive oil on rough areas like elbows, knees, and heels to soften the skin. Apply it after a shower for better absorption. 6. Treating chapped lips. Dab a little olive oil on your lips to keep them hydrated. Mix with honey for added moisture. 7. Soothing sunburns. Mix olive oil with aloe vera gel and apply to sunburned skin for relief. 8. Under eye treatment. Lightly dab olive oil under your eyes before bed to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Tips. Use extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, for the best results since it's the least processed. Patch test before using, especially if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin. Would you like recommendations based on your skin type?